Today we'll take up next office bearer of a cooperative society. We have already discussed the office bearer like chairperson, also called as chairman, then vice chairperson, then secretary. Today we'll discuss about the next, that is treasurer. Now, who is this treasurer? Let us see. Treasurer is a person appointed to administer or manage the financial assets and liabilities of the society. He is also responsible for the money and bank account of society, or it may be company or organization and so on. Now, the cooperative society undergoes many financial activities. Mostly we are talking about when cooperative society is formed to undertake agricultural activities, like we have primary agricultural societies, and such other societies need a treasurer to look after the financial matters of the society. So the treasurer is in charge of the cash and maintaining books of account of the society. Now, how the treasurer is appointed, on what basis? Let us see. The treasurer need to be appointed by the societies, as it is not compulsory to be appointed, but in many of the societies the treasurer is appointed if it is needed and under provision of the bylaws. A treasurer is always appointed on a honorary basis and is not entitled for any remuneration. Okay, that is something about the appointment of treasurer. Now let us move on the role of treasurer in working of cooperative society. Now student, as you all know, finance is very important for any organization, any society. It may be company also, right? Plays very important role. So the proper planning regarding the investment of finance is very important, right? Now the responsibility of proper investment lies with the treasurer. Therefore, the role of treasurer is important in cooperative society, and a treasurer is required to play the role like maintaining of books of accounts and registers up to date. Okay, then with complete all the matters in it, then preparing of the vouchers and receipts of various payment and receipts. Then another role of treasurer is also to receive and disburse of money on behalf of the society. Then treasurer also needs to arrange money at time when it is required for the matter of the society, right? Then another role, like he has to examine the expenditure made during the functioning of the society, also has to execute the budgetary provisions and keep the expenses in control, right? Then holding of meetings of the finance committee and plan the financial strategy for the society also lies in the hands of treasurer. So he also has to verify the cash at any time and hold inquiry if any misappropriation found. Yes, if cash does not tally, okay, so he has to inquire and make investigation. Then preparing of profit and loss account, and also to know the financial position of the society, what is the status of the society, okay, earlier how it was, at present how it is. So his role is to prepare a P&L account as well as to see the financial position of the society. Then another role is like getting prepared financial statements of the society at the close of the financial year, right? Then preparing all the statements, whatever is required, okay, he need to prepare all the statements and schedules required for the purpose of audit. Okay, when auditors comes for the audit purpose, he has to present all the statements and schedules. Okay, for that he need to be prepared, and also he has to prepare the statement, right? So that is some of the role played by the treasurer in cooperative society.